When your intentions are pure, you don't lose anyone. People lose you. Your self-respect has to be stronger than your feelings. Getting money is one thing, keeping it is another. Psychology says, don't judge a situation you have never been in. Psychology says, the less you care, the happier you will be. Fall in love with the process of leveling yourself up. Psychology says jealousy often comes in jokes. Pay attention. Forgiving people in silence and never speaking to them again is a form of self-care. Reading good books, waking up early, meditation, exercise, and forgiveness are the best forms of self-care for everyday life. If you feel comfortable alone, you are a powerful individual. Confidence is not they will like me. Confidence is I will be fine if they don't. Psychology says don't overshare. Privacy is power. You should be private. Never tell people more than they need to know. You don't really need someone to complete you. You only need someone to accept you completely. Unlearning your toxic habits is the highest form of self-care. Psychology says your goals should scare you a little and excite you a lot. Overthinking is one of the biggest causes of unhappiness. Psychology says the best way to avoid disappointment is to not expect anything from anyone.